In a busy city, among the tall buildings and the constant noise of city life, lived a young man named Alex. Alex was a smart and ambitious person, always wanting to learn more and explore new things. His mind was full of information, packed with facts, ideas, and theories. However, there was a small problem with how he learned, a hidden problem that slowed him down. Alex's grandfather, a wise and experienced man, saw his grandson's endless desire to learn. He saw the spark of curiosity in Alex's eyes, the never-ending search for knowledge that pushed him forward. But he also saw the slight frustration that clouded Alex's face, the hint of impatience that spoiled his otherwise eager attitude. One peaceful afternoon, Alex's grandfather invited him to their quiet garden, a place of peace in the middle of the city's noise. As they sat under the shade of an old oak tree, the grandfather gave Alex 2 identical glasses and a pitcher filled with clear, sparkling water. With a gentle smile, the grandfather filled one glass to the top, the water almost spilling over the edge. Then he turned to the other glass and poured a small amount of water, leaving it almost empty. "Alex," the grandfather began, his voice soft and full of wisdom, "look at these 2 glasses. What do you see?" Alex, interested in his grandfather's mysterious question, studied the glasses carefully. "I see 2 glasses, one full of water and the other almost empty," he answered, his curiosity growing. The grandfather nodded, his eyes twinkling with a knowing look. "Yes," he said, "but there is a deeper lesson to be learned from these glasses." He pointed to the overflowing glass, the water balanced on the edge. "This glass, filled to the top, represents a mind that is already full," he explained. "A mind that is filled with fixed ideas, strong beliefs, and unbending opinions." Then he turned his attention to the almost empty glass, its emptiness inviting and open. "This glass, on the other hand, represents an empty mind," he continued. "A mind that is open, uncluttered, and ready to receive new knowledge." Alex's forehead wrinkled in thought as he took in his grandfather's words. The comparison was simple but deep, striking a chord deep within him. The grandfather went on, his voice full of wisdom. "Just as a glass filled to the top cannot hold more water, a mind filled with its own thoughts and beliefs cannot easily take in new knowledge. It is only when we empty our minds, when we let go of our fixed ideas and open ourselves to new ways of thinking, that we can truly learn and grow." Alex's eyes widened with understanding, the truth of his grandfather's words resonating within him. He realized that his own eagerness to learn had accidentally created a barrier, a self-made problem that slowed him down. From that day on, Alex took to heart the lesson of the empty glass. He learned to approach each new experience with an open mind, to put aside his assumptions and prejudices, and to embrace the unknown with curiosity and humility. He found that by emptying his mind, he created space for new knowledge to flow in, allowing him to learn and grow at a faster pace. As Alex went through life, his new way of learning turned him into a vessel of knowledge, a beacon of understanding. His mind, once overflowing with its own thoughts and beliefs, became a vast space, ready to receive and absorb new ideas. The lesson of the empty glass became a guiding principle in Alex's life, a reminder that true learning requires an open mind, a willingness to let go of what we think we know, and an eagerness to embrace the vast and ever-growing world of knowledge.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.